Everyone keeps asking me about the Sony WH-1000XM6, the best noise-canceling wireless. Fine. Here's the real story. Look, I'll tell you, these headphones are all about that sound quality. They're co-created with mastering audio engineers, which means every detail and note are heard as the artist intended. That's a big deal, because most noise-canceling headphones sound like they're going to be good, but not quite there. But the Sony WH-1000XM6s deliver studio-quality sound that makes you wonder how you ever listen to music without them. Now, I know what you're thinking, what about the noise cancellation? Well, here's the thing, these headphones are powered by advanced processors and an adaptive microphone system. They can detect real-time noise and cancel it out with opposite sound waves, giving you a distraction-free listening experience that's hard to beat. And let me tell you, I've tested some of the other top noise-canceling headphones on the market, they just don't come close. I remember being in a coffee shop the other day, and I was wearing my Sony WH-1000XM6s. Suddenly, someone started playing music really loudly next to me, and I could feel the bass thumping through my entire head. But then I put on my headphones, and suddenly it was like I was in a different world. The noise just melted away, and all I could hear was the music. Here's the thing, these headphones aren't just about sound quality or noise cancellation, they're about convenience too. They have a 6-microphone AI-based beamforming system that isolates your voice, filters out background noise, and ensures every word comes through crisp and clear even in the busiest environments. It's like having your own personal assistant built right into your headphones. So, should you buy the Sony WH-1000XM6s? Real talk, if you're a serious music lover or just someone who wants to enjoy their favorite tunes without distractions, these are a no-brainer. They're expensive, sure, but they're worth it for what you get. In fact, considering the quality and performance, I think they're actually a great value. On the other hand, if you're on a tight budget or just looking for a basic pair of headphones that won't break the bank, there are definitely better options out there. These headphones are definitely not for everyone. But overall, I'm impressed with what Sony has done here. The Sony WH-1000XM6s have genuinely surprised me, and I think they're one of the best noise-canceling headphones on the market right now. If you want someone to do the research so you don't have to subscribe, the link's in the description. Take care, see you in the next video.